bring the bleach to the soup.
I got a brick just in case. I'll throw them at him for you.
Nice. Thank you. You are such a great partner.
Yeah.
In criminality. Jerry's back this way.
Hello, child.
Hello, tiny child. I'm trying to feed your people. Find 4 more of these. Okay. Oh, here's your soup of the day.
Pouring that extra spice in there.
Oh man, I'm getting the contact high from that. Oh, that's evil. Fuck you! Quick. Like that. Hello, scary people that I do not like. Oh, swimming pool. There's gotta be bleach in the swimming pool.
Gotta be.
Think about it, chat. Think of all the bleach I could drink in here.
They've never believed this shit back home.
And there's a person having a panic attack. Good to know.
Here I come! Little mouse.
Nope, you are not Mitsuki. Get away from me.
Can't hide, go worm.
Mitsuki, there's another big lad.
Oh, great.
At least this one's wearing pants.
Is he now? Well, that's at least something.
Just try and run.
He has the mouth of a sailor, though.
Fucking cockroaches! What do you see now?
Place to hide.
Who's afraid of the dark?
Three. The bandages. And that'd be a bottle. And get fucked, duck.
It's a miracle.
Hello.
What's up?
I don't know where the next bleach bottle would be.
I know where the giant man that has pants on, though.
Oh, you found him?
Yeah.
Did he give you a spook?
He gave me a curse.
He gave you a curse spook. To be fair, this game is very spooky.
Yeah, it is. But it's funny, too.
Oh, he's breaking stuff again. He's just living his best life, you know?
With pants, this time.
Yeah, with pants. Oh, he's in the swimming pool. Bleach! I knew it would be here.
Just gotta pray to God.
Oh fuck! I don't have anti-drugs.
Here.
Oh god.
There, just use that health. It probably will help.
No, the health doesn't help. You gotta find the anti-drugs.
I don't know how he didn't see me.
Daddy wants snack.
Nope. Daddy, don't get snagged.
Get fucked. I'm hidden.
Slippery.
The bleach is mine.
I got your back. I got a bottle and beer bottle.
What was the shadow man? Oh,
Run.
fuck.
I got your back.
Oh. Oh, that's not a